Hey guys, I'm Kamila from Code with Kamila. Today my dad and I will start a series of videos about programming. My dad will teach me and anyone who wants to learn coding. All of you will have a chance to learn along with me. Please don't be afraid to ask any questions. My dad and I will try to answer every one of them. Okay, Dad, let's start with the main question. Why? Why do I need to learn programming?
Good question, Kamila. There are two reasons why I want you to learn coding. First, programming is one of few careers that will still exist in the future, in my opinion. Many people don't realize that many jobs will disappear because of technology, but programmers will still be in demand, at least for next 20-30 years. The second reason is that I believe that experience of building programs will help you to learn solving problems in your life.
So let me ask you another question. How? How are we going to do this?
We will use C#. It works both in Windows and Mac. We will use Mac in most lessons, but we will do a couple lessons on Windows. So if you don't have Mac, don't worry, because all examples will work both in both operating systems. So let's start with installing some software. In order to use C#, we will need Visual Studio 2017, and we can find it on www.visualstudio.com/downloads. Here you see four options: Community Edition, Professional Edition, Enterprise, and Visual Studio Code. We will use Community Edition because we don't want to pay for Professional or Enterprise. And Visual Studio Code, it's not Visual Studio anyway, it's just a little application. So click on Download. It's asked us to take a survey. We say no. Download it. Open the Finder. Double click on Visual Studio Installer. Now double click on this arrow button. Click Open. So you see it started another application on the background. Let's click Continue. You can just remove other options. If you don't have enough space for Android, you can uncheck this checkbox, so you can save like 1.1 gig. But if you have enough space, as we do, just leave it all the checkboxes checked and click on Install button, and it's gonna take like some time. Okay, it finally downloaded and installed, so all we need is just to enter a password. And installation is successful. And we can start Visual Studio for Mac.
That's it for today, folks. Make sure to subscribe to our channel at Code with Kamila.